Welcome back. Now in this video we want to talk about the common uses for Amazon SES. And one of the primary uses is going to be to send transactional email from within an application. So for example, if you use WordPress or you use a membership script of some kind and you need an email system that will send transactional email, you can use Amazon SES for this case. Similar to transactional email are notification emails. Again, when you're using an application and your application sends out notifications by email. And of course, one of the primary uses is going to be to send marketing communications, including newsletters as well as drip campaigns. When it comes to transactional email as well as notifications, this is where Amazon SES's benefits really come to play. For example, their ability to get email into the inbox as well as being reliable in terms of uptime means then that when you have new clients or new customers that come on to your application, they'll be getting the emails that you'll be sending to them, giving them things like logins and passwords and direct notifications. And because when you have a particular launch or you have a high volume of customers, this is where the cost-effective nature of Amazon benefits you. This means that you can send a lot of emails at a low cost. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.